Hello everybody, welcome to Next.js tutorial from Uplatz. I am Sudeep, your instructor for Next.js tutorial. Next.js is a powerful tool for developers looking to build fast, scalable and SEO-friendly web applications with React. SEO means search engine optimization. And it is built with React. Next.js is built with React. It is very fast. It is mainly server-based tool, or you can tell it is a hybrid technology. You can use both server and client to make your website runs efficiently. What is Next.js? Next.js is a powerful open source React framework for building web applications with features like server-side rendering, that is SSR, static site generation, SSG, and hybrid applications that can include both SSR and SSG. It is created by Vercel. Next.js enhances the development experience by offering a range of built-in tools and optimizations, allowing developers to create fast, user-friendly web applications efficiently. Server-side rendering means when ordinary React app runs, it renders at the client side, that is on the browser. But through Next.js, we can use mainly server-side rendering. It is rendered at server side. Static site generations mean site which is not changed, which is static site generation. So it is rendered from the server side. And hybrid applications means it can use server side rendering, client side rendering, and static site generations, so that it can use the facility of both server side development and client side development, and the loading time is very fast. It loads very fast. It is created by a company named Vercel, and it enhances the development experience by offering a range of built-in tools. Vercel gives us many built-in tools and optimizations, and the developers can create fast, user-friendly web applications efficiently. Key features of Next.js. File-based routing. It simplifies routing, automatically creating routes or routes based on file structure in the pages directory. File-based routing means one file within another. The parent folder has some child folder, and that child folder also have some child folder. It's like that. And this is it can do this as it is a server-side programming, server-side tool. Server-side rendering, SSR. Pages are rendered on the server for each request, improving SEO and load times for dynamic content. The pages which is rendered on the server side, it creates the HTML automatically at the server side. Actually, simple React or vanilla React JS creates sends a blank HTML page, and that is it is not SEO friendly, because the SEOs cannot find that what is written in that page or the metadata in the page. Static site generation. Pages are generated at build time during build process, pages are generated. So the offering faster load times. It is not generation it is not generated at the client side or the browser. So the pages are loading faster, and better performance for static content. For the static content means the contents which are not changed. Hybrid applications combine SSR and SSG to optimize different parts of an application. We can specify where to use SSR and SSG. API routes creates create backend API endpoints directly with the Next.js application. API routes create backend API. API means application programming interfaces. Suppose searching some data from net, or getting some JSON object from net. This backend API endpoints runs directly with the Next.js applications. Automatic code splitting. This is very interesting. Each page only loads the necessary JavaScript, reducing load times. For vanilla React.js or the simple React.js, the whole codes along with all the libraries need to load during loading time. So loading time is more. It takes more time, and in that case, in Next.js, loading time is less because the codes are splitted, and it loads only which codes are needed. Codes are needed, that JavaScript or SSR, these are loaded. Built-in CSS and Sass support simplifies styling by allowing the use of global styles, CSS modules, and styled JSX. Actually, our React also use this type of built-in styling. It simplifies the styling, and along with that, the default CSS library for Next.js is Tailwind CSS. So using Tailwind and all those global styles, CSS modules, and style JSX, we can create very beautiful looking websites easily. Optimized performance. Built-in features like image optimization, incremental static generation, ISR, and more. The image, it has a special image tag in Next.js which optimizes for each size of the device. Suppose the same website can be loaded on our desktop or on our mobile, but during the loading, Next.js automatically resizes the images for that device only, for that screen size. So for our mobile, we need small image, and it is loaded faster. Moreover, incremental regeneration, incremental static regeneration, and more. That is, it regenerates the site when it is needed. That is incremental, not all at a time. Benefits of using Next.js: enhanced performance, faster load times. With SSR, SSG, and Automatic load code splitting, pages load faster, I told you before, which improves user experience. SEO optimization, server-side rendering ensures that search engines can crawl and index the content more efficiently or effectively, leading to better search engine rankings. So we can get the our page at the top, at the first page in the Google searching using Next.js. Developer experience. Simplified routing. File-based routing makes it easy to manage and understand routes. File-based routing is more easier than our React.js routing. React.js originally doesn't use the file-based routing, but Next.js does it. Full stack capabilities. Next.js allows developers to build both the front end and back end in a single project using API routes. So one application is built by the developer and it uses both front end and back end. Automatic image optimization, I told you in the previous slide. Next.js automatically optimizes images for different devices, improving load times and visual quality. So it does two things, improving load times and visual quality of the image. Hybrid rendering, flexibility, that is hybrid rendering. Next.js allows developers to mix and match SSR, SSG and client-side rendering within the same application, enabling greater flexibility. It allows it can be used anywhere, those SSR, SSG and CSR. Custom middleware. Developers can use custom middleware to handle tasks like authentication, logging or redirects. Developer can use this type of middleware in Next.js. This is called aging. We shall learn it later. Community and ecosystem. Versal integration. Seamlessly deploy Next.js applications to Vercel with built-in support for features like automatic previews and production deployments. It uses just only one command or clicking just once or twice to upload or deploying our website. Rich ecosystem. Next.js has a vibrant community and ecosystem with plethora of plugins, tools and resources. Scalability. It can be scaled up or scaled down. That is, at first we may create a small app. Later we can increase or add different features to it. So incremental static regeneration, that is scalability. I told you that is scalability. Incremental static regeneration updates static pages without rebuilding the entire site, which is particularly useful for large scale applications. For large scale applications, we generally create a part of the site. Then we shall add the feature to it. Serverless deployments. Next.js is optimized for serverless architectures, enabling applications to scale automatically with demand. It is a server scale application. It is optimized for serverless architectures and enabling applications to scale automatically with demand. That is very important. It's scaled automatically with the demand. Okay, this is for now. We shall start next lesson again. Thank you.